Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Darkest Dungeon. This challenging gothic horror game tasks you with reclaiming your ancestral estate from eldritch evils. You will manage a roster of unique heroes, sending them on perilous expeditions into dark dungeons. Success hinges on mastering turn-based combat, managing hero stress, and making tough strategic decisions. Prepare for a brutal, yet rewarding, experience where every choice matters as you delve deeper into the darkness. Combat is turn-based, featuring a 4-hero party where hero position dictates available skills. Pay close attention to enemy resistances and vulnerabilities. A unique mechanic is stress, which builds from critical hits, environmental hazards, and even friendly fire. High stress can lead to debilitating afflictions, making heroes less effective. Manage stress with camping skills, specific trinkets, and by utilizing the hamlet's facilities after an expedition. The hamlet is your crucial hub for hero recovery and preparation. Here, you can upgrade facilities like the blacksmith for better gear, and the guild for improved skills, using heirlooms collected from your expeditions. Before each quest, carefully provision your party with essential items like torches, food, and bandages. Proper preparation, including bringing enough supplies for a long journey, is vital for survival and success in the dungeons. Your heroes will gain experience, allowing you to upgrade their skills and equipment. Each hero also develops unique quirks, both positive and negative, which significantly impact their performance. You can lock in beneficial quirks or cure detrimental ones in the sanitarium. Be warned, heroes can die permanently in the dungeons, so you will constantly recruit new adventurers to fill your ranks and continue the fight against the encroaching darkness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.